It's time for some privacy. Let's go from public to private on Threads in second. But first, make sure to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from One Stop Solution, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to change public account to private on Threads app. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First thing first, tap on the Threads app icon on your device. Next, tap your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This is your personal space where you can manage all your thread settings. Now tap the two horizontal lines at the top right corner. This is your central control hub for all the account adjustment. In the settings, tap on the privacy option. This is where you can control who can see your content. Here's the big move. Find the private profile and toggle the switch to make your profile private. A confirmation message will appear. Tap on the OK option to confirm your decision. Finally, your posts and updates will be only visible to your followers. So this is how to change public account to private on Threads app. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.